Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications or edit your notification settings on the Reddit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the ring button down below, which is the last option. Now click on the three dots icon next to your avatar. Then tap on the last one saying edit notification settings. Here at this page you are ready to edit your notifications. If you would like to get notified about messages, concerning messages, you need to select the specific ones such as inbox messages, chat requests, and tap on the relevant one that you would like to get notified about. If you scroll down, you can see other categories such as activity or recommendations and updates. So you can scroll through these ones and select the ones that you would like to get notifications about. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.